comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Stock Brother, bringing you those bangers. If you're new to the channel, this channel is about making that money, investing in stocks, and of course making more money. So before we get started, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and smash that like button. Alright, so let's get started and let's move on to the portfolio. Alright guys, so as you can see, the portfolio is down this week so far. That's the way of the stock market. Stocks go up, stocks go down. So you can see the portfolio is a little bit down. Okay, but again, I like to start with my portfolio to show you guys that I am the real deal. You know, I'm not just shouting out stocks like like 100 other guys are doing right now. They're shouting out stocks and not showing you their portfolio or how much money they got. You can see right now I'm at $229,573.53. okay, so again, you know, that's the way of the stock market. All right, so we're down this week so far. It's a short week. The Friday the stock market is actually closed, so tomorrow will be the last day. Okay, so today we're going to talk about a couple stocks that I think that we can make some quick money on. Okay, so the first stock we're going to talk about is called Applied UV Incorporated. The ticker symbol is AUVI. So you can see the stock is at $9.99 today. Okay, so right now if we look at the 52-week range, you can see that the stock was at $4.52 and it ran up all the way to $35.78. so this stock is battered. Okay, so it's battered, so I think it has a lot of potential to run back up. Now if you can see here, this stock basically is involved in disinfecting. Okay, so it has a subsidiary called Sterilum, right? And what it says is Sterilum is engaged in developing, designing, and manufacturing disinfection systems that eliminate pathogens that may cause healthcare acquired infections. It distributes and sells to facilities such as hospitals, assisted living facilities, doctors' offices, walk-in clinics, as well as hotels, cruise lines, airplanes, schools, government buildings, commercial offices, and other facilities that offer to access to the public. Okay, so again, so you know, right now we're in COVID times, right? So this is a good play, all right, because they basically eliminate bugs. Okay, pathogens are bugs. All right, so with this stock we can get in at $10, right? I have a price target of about, I would say about 13. Now the way we're gonna play this is we're not looking for home runs here. Okay, on my channel I swing trade. When I swing trade, I go for I go for what I call base hits. Okay, base hits. All right, because when you try to go for home runs, 9 times out of 10 you're gonna strike out and you're gonna lose your money. Okay, so this is the way I play it with my stocks. My goal is to hit 10%. Now if I hit 10%, I take my money and I run and I move to the next one. Okay, that's how I play it. If it goes to 15%, 25%, 25%, then it's all good. But my goal is 10%. All right, so that's how I always play my swings. Okay, so remember, we're going for the base hits. We're not going for home runs because you're gonna lose money. Okay, so we're going for the base hits. And for me it's 10%. For you it could be 15%, it could be 20%, it could be 25%. Okay, but to be on the safe side, 10%. Get that base hit, take our money and run, move on to the next one. That's how we're gonna do it. Okay, the next stock I want to talk to you guys about is called Humble. Okay, this stock is an OTC, over the counter stock. The ticker symbol for this one is HMBL. I actually really like this stock. Now, Humble is a digital marketing company. Okay, So it says that the company provides payment methods and financial products for consumers and merchants. The company's product lines are the Humble mobile app, Humble Marketplace, Humble Financial, which are being architected to work across one Humble platform for consumers, freelancers, merchants. The Humble mobile app and Humble web platform delivers global transactions by integrating multiple currencies, payment methods, and financial services into reduce clicks for the customer and mobile wallet providers such as Zelle and Venmo. Okay, so again, this is like a financial company. All right, so I really like this one. Okay, so now right now mobile Humble closed at $3.61. Okay, and as you can see, the 52-week range was 0.002 all the way up to $7.72. So this is another one that's been battered. Okay, but I think this one has a lot of potential to run. Okay, this one I'm gonna give it a price target of about $5. Okay, so but remember, we're not aiming for $5. Okay, we're not aiming for that $5. We're not aiming for that home run. $5 is the home run. Okay, we're aiming for the base hit. So for me, again, base hit is 10%. Okay, if it goes up 10%, I'm gonna take my money and run and move on to the next one. Okay, that's how we're gonna play it. All right, again, if it hits 15%, if it hits 20%, if it hits 25%, it's all good. It's all good. But but we're not trying to lose money. Okay, we're trying to grow our money. I know 10% seems like a little bit. It's not a lot of money, right? But that's how you're gonna grow, little by little, and you're gonna grow. You're gonna keep growing your portfolio. Okay, that's how we're gonna do it. That's how we're gonna do it here on this channel. Okay, so we're swing traders. We're not holding on to these stocks long term, but Humble, I really like that one. And if you wanted to hold it long term, you could. I think you can't go wrong with that one. Okay, so definitely check that one out. Do your own research. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, and but do your own research on this one. But it's a good play. The next one we got is called Cpng Incorporated. Okay, so this is actually a Korean company. Okay, a Korean stock. All right, so let's read a little bit about this one. It says the company mainly provides home goods and decoration, apparel and beauty products, fresh food, groceries, sporting goods, electronics, restaurant order and delivery, travel and everyday consumables, and other products and services. The company operates e-commerce and logistics systems and provides delivery services. In addition, the company also offers online advertising space on its website and mobile applications. So right now we can see that this stock is at $49.35. All right, so we'll go down. Let's look at the 52-week range, and we can see that the stock is at the range is from $41.41 to $69. So again, this stock has been battered. Okay, it's been battered, but I think it has a good chance of running. Okay, it has a good chance of running. So my price target for this stock is actually $54. Okay, so that's the home run price. Okay, but we're not aiming for that home run price. We're aiming for the base hits. Okay, we're aiming for that base hit. So for me personally, my base hit is $10. I mean, not $10. My base hit is 10% of the stock price. Okay, so whenever I hit 10%, I'm gonna sell. Okay, if it hits 15%, if it hits 25%, it's all good. But right now we're aiming for 10%. So once it hits that 10%, we take our money and run, and then we move on to the next one. That's how we're gonna play it, and that's how we're gonna continue playing it. And I forgot to give you guys a symbol for that. It's Cpng. The ticker symbol for this one is Cpng. So I think this is a pretty good one for us to get into, and I think we're gonna do well with this stock. All right, guys, so that's all I have for today, those three stocks. All right, so I think we're gonna do pretty good with these stocks. So the market opens in a few hours. Okay, and if you can get into these stocks, let's make some quick money, okay? Because that's all we're about here. We're about making money and making more money. We're not about losing money here, okay? We're never trying to lose money. So just remember that philosophy that I taught you, okay? All right, we're here for the base hits. We're not here for the home runs. If we get a home run, it's all good, but base hits, that's the way we're gonna build this portfolio, okay? And that's how I managed to grow my portfolio, as you can see. All right, again, I'm the real deal. I'm always gonna show you what my portfolio is running, okay, and how it's doing. So right now I am down from last week, but that's the way of the stock market, okay? Stock market is always up and down, okay? But it's all good. We're gonna shine. We're gonna shine. All right, so I'll catch you guys on the next one, and I'm out of here.